Earlier this week, we announced that Windsurf has been acquired by Cognition, the legendary team behind Devon.
The two teams have been hard at work, ramping up on each other's code bases, and with our combined firepower, we're excited to go deeper and refine Windsurf to be the best agentic IDE.
Without further ado, here's Wave 11.
In this wave, we're bringing voice support to Cascade. As Cascade has gotten better, we noticed that the tasks users are given it have gotten more complex. More complex tasks mean longer prompts with more information, which can often be laborious to type out. This means that users can just speak to Cascade rather than having to type things out. As Cascade tackles bigger scope tasks, it's important to be able to reference past conversations. Imagine you ask Cascade to implement a feature in one conversation. In the next conversation, you might want Cascade to add tests for that feature. Now, you can @mention the first conversation, so Cascade has full context of it as it goes to write tests for you.
In Wave 10, we introduced the Windsurf browser on the premise that so much of software engineering happens outside the IDE and inside the browser. In this wave, we're making this integration deeper. You can now chat with Cascade about tabs that are open in the browser using @mentions. Cascade can also intelligently decide to collect important information from the browser, like screenshots, console logs, and DOM elements by itself. So now, there's no need for you to manually copy and paste or select specific information to send to Cascade.
Planning mode has been a huge hit with our users. Collaborating with Cascade to plan out and monitor progress on long horizon tasks improves the actual quality and accuracy of Cascade's responses. Because of this, we're turning planning mode on by default. You can disable it anytime from the Cascade panel.
You continue to invest in making the JetBrains experience better by bringing the planning mode to allow Cascade to handle more complex tasks and provide the user more transparency. Workflows for teams to gain a consistent and repeatable way to run key processes and save time. File-based rules to give teams the ability to define multiple scopes to specific files or directories. And we've added turbo mode to allow Cascade to auto-execute terminal commands. All of this is available in the Windsurf plugin on all JetBrains IDEs.
There's also a host of quality of life improvements in this wave. You can @mention terminal in Cascade. You can create named checkpoints in the conversation that users can easily revert back to. There's support for more MCP servers with easier and more secure authentication by integrating the new streamable HTTP transport and MCP authentication. You can turn on the auto-continue setting to have Cascade automatically continue its response if it hits a limit.
Thank you to our users for sticking with us.
We're excited to keep building the best agentic IDE for you. A lot more to come soon.
And until then, surf's up.